Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Okay guys, welcome back to behind me here. I've got my Beamer and I'm ready to try and fix it. If you've been following, you'll know that I had some problems with the DISA valve and basically it's still not fixed, so I'm going to have another go at trying to fix it. Now I'm going to be using this stuff. It says it can free up the tick 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 and I've got the massive tick because I've got that one stuck lifter. Now the only thing that worries me is if this doesn't fix it, I'm gonna have to do pretty major work. So what I'm gonna do is put the oil in. I've got some 5-weight €30 full synthetic oil there. I've got 2 bottles of it because it takes more than 5 litres. I've got a genuine filter, and then this is my cap for taking the oil filter off. And so yeah, I'm just going to be changing the oil and putting in the lift to free up. It says 1 bottle is for every 5 litres, and I'm going to need like 1.5 bottles of oil, so I figure I need 1.5 bottles of that. And yeah, I'm just going to put that in there, and maybe once it's in, if it doesn't clear up straight away, I might rev it a bit, take it for a drive. I don't really know, but fingers crossed this fixes it, because yeah, if it doesn't, then I've got to pull all that stuff off, which will be extremely hard. So anyway, let's get into it, and fingers crossed it fixes it, so it'll actually work again and I can drive it finally. Alright, it's a bit oily down here, so I've got my rag and I'll just wipe some of that oil off. It's not too bad. I may take these plastic covers off and just give them a good clean up, because I haven't done that in a while, and you know, they do get pretty dirty under here, so I should probably do that again sometime soon. Anyway, you just want to open this little flap like so, and then just get it nice and clean. And I've forgotten my oil pan, so I'll just go grab my oil pan. Right, now that the oil pan's in position, I'll probably just take this off because it comes off pretty easily. And then I can see, get one of my 17mm sockets in there and just take it off. Okay, you just need to crack it. And then now don't lose the nut, because we need to put that back in. I really hope this fixes it, because if it doesn't, I'm going to have fresh oil in the car anyway. Alright, so just let that drain for a while. I might go up top and start taking the oil filter out. Okay, so my new filter does come with the new O-rings for around here, and a new gasket for the sump plug, so that's pretty handy. Okay, I'll just cover that with my rag so no dust gets in there. I'm just going to want to get these off, so just get that big one off. Oh, I just broke my glove. Oh, oopsies. Anyway, got the new one. Pop that on there. And then get this little one out. Might be a bit tricky. Might just need a little pick to get this one out. So let's just get that in behind there. There's the new one on. I've got a green one this time. It's on there. Now, make sure this doesn't go any particular direction. Made in Germany, it's a MAN filter. The last one looked like the writing went to the top, so Might just do that. Or, yeah. There we go. Alright, maybe the right thing goes to the bottom. Maybe it doesn't matter. Who knows? Anyway. Make sure that's in there secure. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, just nip that up pretty tight. Like so. Make sure it doesn't leak. Right, now let's get the oil in. So make sure you got a clean funnel. You don't want any dirt going in there. I'm probably just gonna put that in. I'll probably just hold that because I haven't got the proper BMW one. Okay, before we go any further, you just gonna want to make sure you put that bolt back in the sump. Just before we put the oil in, we just want to put that sump plug back in with the new washer. So let's just quickly get that back in. Okay, in goes the oil. Okay, now that the oil's in, I'm just gonna pop this stuff in. It just says, after changing engine oil and filter, add 1 bottle per 5 litres of engine oil. So I'm kind of thinking I'll just add both of them in. Whoa, it smells like paint stripper. Okay. Yeah. Go in there, fix my car. Fix. So they're 300 mils each. So I've just put 600 mils in, and I think the oil capacity is about 7 litres or something. So. Oh, hope this works. Like, yeah, the oil filter has to fill up and that, so yeah, I might need to top it up a bit. Okay, that's tight, that's on, some plugs in, oil's in, lifter free up's in. I guess I just need to start it and run it. Pray that it's fixed. Okay, well, it hasn't stopped ticking yet. I would presume that stuff doesn't work straight away. So I might just get it off the jack stands and take it for a drive, see what happens. I don't know, fingers crossed. Okay, let's go for a drive. See if we can fix this thing. Well, did an oil change, try and look at things positively. I've been for a drive now for about 10 minutes, revved it right up to about 7,000 RPM, held it at 3,000 RPM for a minute or so. It was a bit smoky, hopefully because of that the lifter free up I put in there. Anyway, it hasn't come good yet, so I might just leave it there, but it's looking like I may have to pull it completely apart. So anyway, it's just about to start raining. So yeah, I'll end the video there. Not so happy, but yeah, like I changed the oil and filter and that, so anyway, yeah, I guess I'll be doing more work in the future, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay to keep up to date, subscribe, and I don't know, like if you want. I don't really like this so much, but anyway, I'll leave a comment if you're having a similar problem or something. Yeah. Anyway, bye for now.